All right, today we're going to bring a hitch. This hitch is perfect for anything you want to tow, no matter what size of actual tow. It's perfect if you have an RV or a 4x4 truck, or if you're pulling your boat, or maybe a toy hauler. This is perfect. Now, you are going to need the requirements of having a hitch built into your car. That's very important, and make sure you could if the amount of tow that you're going to have to tow has to be equal to whatever it is that you're going to be to your manufacturer settings. All right, so just make sure that you're aware of that first. So we're going to put this together and see how this thing works. So we're going to get it out of the box, and it's heavy out of the box. It comes with all the tools necessary, including the locks. All right, so let's go ahead and open up. Here's the locks, the 2 keys covered in silicone. So this is important if you want to take this whole thing apart. Has the actual gaskets. If you want to actually short it up, make sure that you want to completely seal it. You can do that. Now, locking it in place, you could just take out the key and then push the button and it locks. All right, so that's another way to do it, just to make sure about that. Right? To begin with, it gives you the height in here and the dimension. This is a 2-incher, all right, 2-inch receiver, and up to 6 inches you can do. All right, so there's the manufacturing instructions. We're gonna set this up, put this in place. Hitch goes in place. We're gonna lock it from that side so you can see it. So we're gonna find the lock. There it is. Push the button, lock it. Now this thing's not going anywhere until you unlock it. Now here's the other part, right? And this is important because this locks in place here in different ways. You can change this to however you want. It has a little hook on the bottom here. You guys can see that? The hook's in here. So if you want to have just the rope part of it, you can do that. Lock it in here, however you want. Different rotations. 2 different pins. All right. Same pins, but 2 different ones. All right, 2 of them. The pins, all right, you could put the pins either way. They give you 2 of them. You guys can see that they could both go the same way, and then you're able to put the pins. But this thing, you can lock it in place. If you have a car that you want to push a rope or a chain, you can lock it in place. This thing reinforce, and let's rotate it to different degrees so you guys can see at different angles. And if you want to rotate this to different degrees, you can do that. Doesn't have to be one way. There's 1, 2. So you can lock in sideways, front, forward. So you have 1, 2, and 3 different degrees to the highest. So you could dip down. You could switch it to any side. You could do this side, or this side, or this side to me, the main. Very sturdy, very strong, very heavy duty. Pull anything you want with this. So for boats, RVs, toy haulers, or trailers, any size you can do. Different dimensions, different sizes, different weights too. So hope you guys enjoy this video.